Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we explain how to combine data from multiple sources in Apache Hop. We'll explore when you can keep it simple by connecting streams directly and when you need the Append Streams transform for precise control. Let's get started. Imagine this situation. You're working on a data pipeline in Apache Hop, and you've got 3 different data sources feeding into it. The data streams from these sources are identical. Same columns, same data types, everything matches perfectly. Now the question is, how do you efficiently combine these streams into a single process? If your streams are identical and you don't care about the order in which the data is processed, there's a straightforward solution. You can simply create direct hops from each of your input streams to a single transform downstream. This approach is clean, efficient, and keeps your pipeline easy to manage. In this scenario, you have 2 different data sources, 2 CSV files each containing flight data for January and February. The 2 files have identical columns. In this setup, Apache Hop automatically handles the data union, merging all streams into one without the need for any extra transforms. Some key points here: efficiency, because this approach avoids the overhead of managing the order of the streams. Simplicity, the pipeline is simple with minimal transforms. Flexibility, you can easily scale this approach by adding more identical streams, all feeding into the same downstream transform. But what if the order of your data matters? In the previous example, when the pipeline starts, all transforms are initialized simultaneously. As a result, data from the first and second inputs is processed concurrently, which means the order of the data may not be preserved. But you might have a situation where data from one source needs to be processed completely before the next source's data begins. This is where the Append Streams transform comes into play. Let's say you have the same 2 flight data files, flight data January CSV and flights data February CSV. Both files have identical columns. However, the operating airline column in January's file contains extra characters, like parentheses, that need to be cleaned up. You need to ensure that all of January's data is fully processed and cleaned before the pipeline starts working on February's data. It's crucial that January's data appears first in your output stream, maintaining the correct order in the final dataset. How do we do this? The pipeline starts with 2 text file input transforms. Then, with the replace in string, we clean the operating airline column. The Append Streams transform combine the clean January data with the February data. With the Append Streams transform, you can ensure that data from the first stream is fully processed before the second stream starts. If you hover over the blue info icon, you'll see a note explaining that the usual row reading rules don't apply in this situation. Some key points here. Order preservation. This approach is crucial when the order of processing is important. Control. The pipeline gives you fine-grained control over the sequence of data processing, which can be important for certain types of data analysis or reporting. What if you have more than 2 streams to combine? Since the Append Streams transform only allows 2 input streams, you'll need to use multiple Append Streams transforms to handle more than 2 entries. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content.